Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you just click here in this sign. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on overlay screens, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, you come here to show in call overlay for non-contacts. So click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's going that's mean here show in call overlay here for non-contacts disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish you I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.